Driving just to clear my head when I saw your name written in big bold letters on the wall downtown, and it all came back to me. You will never know all the hearts you broke in pursuit of a punishment that doesn't fit the crime, and maybe just a little more attention. You look straight through me and walk on by, but don't worry, I won't tell your lie. I won't fight your fire with fire, 'cause two wrongs won't make this right. You got every little thing that you desire, so let it go. There's a part of me that wishes we could talk, but the feeling of futility is not a thrilling thought. So I'll bite my tongue and I'll try to just walk away. You'll never know how much you hurt me, but that's okay, it doesn't really matter anyway. You look straight through